Hello. Yes, another day, another challenge. Another day, another challenge. It's okay, I wasn't going to bend down to pray anything then. I'm actually painting out my little gym shed. You've heard me tell you that I got a shed in the garden, which I should show you 1 second. I'm actually painting the wall now white. I find this very therapeutic actually. I'm supposed to have gone to work today, but I done something really stupid yesterday. I thought I was 20 again, and I went and decided to hand Mark, he's my stepson, he works with me on my window cleaning, my ladder, which is quite a big heavy ladder, over a fence yesterday and pulled a little muscle in my back. So I thought, well, I can't work today, so what can I do? I've got a list of jobs I want to do. Basically, this is my little gym shed, which I'm painting out, as you can see. It's only a small shed, it's only a 6x4. There you go. It's a 6x4 shed. Yeah, that's my shed. There's my studio there. That's where I paint away the stress of everyday life. And this little shed, I got another one actually down there. I got 3 sheds. I'm a 3-shed man. It's my little shop. That's where I do all my products and stuff like that for www.clive5art.co.uk, which is all my art supplies and things. So this is my gym. I got a little spinning bike there. I got my boxing gloves because I got a punch bag over there. Got all my weights and things. I got a little weight bench there, and it's quite nice. It helps me relieve the frustration of everyday life. Especially that punch bag. Wow, I tell you, I was on that punch bag the other day, and it's really good. You can get so much stress out of yourself just punching something. So I'm not a violent man, but I can tell you something. When you're punching something like that and you're getting all that stress out, it really does help to get that adrenaline pumping and get all that tension out of you. I'm not saying to everybody go and get a punch bag or anything like that, or even punch anybody, but what I'm trying to say is, for me, that it seems to work really well. Along with DIY and stuff like that, I find very therapeutic. Painting. I do my artwork as well. I'll take you into the studio and show you some of my artwork, because I'm going to be making a video lesson shortly, because it's 11 and I'm just waiting to take my wife to work and drop her off, because she works in a local school. So I thought, in the meantime, I'll just listen to the quiet, the birds singing, the clock ticking. It's quite nice. It's a plane flying overhead. Now, we're not far from the airport, so that's why there's a lot of planes, but it's not that noisy. Well, maybe it is, I don't know. We've got the M4 corridor just over there. I can hear the noise. I can hear the cars back and forth on the ground over there. I'm going to do one more panel, and then I'm just going to show you my garden, because I haven't got a very big garden, but it suits me. I'm not a gardener. I'm actually thinking of growing some tomatoes and some lettuces next year, because I've got a gap between the 2 sheds here that I could turn into a little like greenhouse type of thing, or even just put a little roof on just to give it some protection. And well, I'm going to leave the paint in there for now. Just put my brush back in there. I can come back to that later, because I'm not in any rush to do it. Can you hear the noise? I can hear birds singing. Painted the shed out because it's nice and bright, and makes that, I don't want it too dreary in there, because when it's just wood, it's too dreary. This is all my garden consists of: a little patio area, some bushes, and a tree in the back of my studio. That's it. That's all I've got to maintain. And I put pea gravel down, which is another thing I don't have to worry about, is cutting grass. Wow, nice day. Sometimes it's just nice to stand and close your eyes and just listen to the world go by. We don't take enough time out. Tell you what's really good in the spring and summer when it's a bit warmer. Take your socks and shoes off, get some grass, and just rub your feet into the grass and just stand there for 5 minutes. And in the winter, just find somewhere nice, even if it's just your garden, and just stand there like a statue and just listen to the world go by and think of nothing except what you can hear. That helps de-stress you. Use my little punch bag. How do? Give it a good old whack. Helps relieve that stress. Okay, I'm gonna shoot off now and take the wife to work, and then I'm gonna get into the studio and get this lesson underway. So I'm in the studio now. I've taken the wife to work, and I've got a blank canvas ahead of me. And that's quite daunting when you have a look at something like that and think, what am I going to paint on there? So what I'm thinking about today is, I had mentioned earlier standing still like a statue and just listening to the world go by. And what's the best place to actually stand? I think it's like in the woods, in the forestry, in the countryside. So what I'm thinking of is, I'm going to paint a forestry scene, I think, today. I'm just going to let it develop on the canvas, and I'll show you some pictures of that as I go along, but I'm going to make the video now, and hopefully I can get this done before I got to pick my wife back up from work. So I'm just chilling out today. Nice and quiet in here too. I might even light an incense stick. Oh, the lovely smell of lavender. Lavender, really good for you. Really good. Lavender oil, lavender, you know, you put them in the little bags, just the seeds, and put them under your pillow. You can smell that lavender at night, and even the incense sticks. All help to just calm the mind and calm the energy, if you want. And just the smell of that lavender helps me relax. So anyway, I gotta stop talking. I gotta get on to this painting. No, I'm not drying my hair, I'm actually drying the painting that I've done. There we are. There's the painting that I've done. As you can see, I've got a bit of a scene going on there. We've got some trees which I put shadows in. I've got the distance in the background. I got this path coming forward. Oh, that's a nice tranquil place, and I got my incense going. So what I'm going to do, if you want to watch this video, then don't forget to click those iCards below there, and I'm going to put a link to this video in there so you can watch it, and that would be good. And you know then my inspiration for this, so don't tell everybody, it's a secret. Anyway, I'm going to keep doing this, and all I have to say is, don't worry, just don't forget, it's okay not to be okay. If you're feeling a little bit down, then just accept it, and you know, things will get better. We just got to stop worrying about things. Stopping worrying about things is easier said than done. But if we can direct our thoughts to something else, like painting a shed, painting a painting, going for a walk, even just standing still for 10 minutes in your garden, and just think about, concentrate on the sounds that are around you. And things will subside. You just got to give them time to subside. So there's my thought for the day. So okay, I'm going to get on with this lesson, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.